How to create and sell Canva templates. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create and sell Canva templates. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Canva, you could also use my affiliate link below the description, where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Canva, it is a versatile online graphic design platform that allows users to create a wide range of visual content, such as presentations, poster and social media graphics, videos, infographics, and many more, in which it offers an easy-to-use drag-and-drop interface, making it accessible even to those with little to no design experience. And Canva also provides thousands of customizable templates, a vast library of stock photos, icons, fonts, and other design elements, enabling users to produce professional-looking designs quickly. So now to create an account, you can simply click the link in the description, and after that, you will be able to be directed on this homepage of Canva. And now to proceed, the first thing that we need to do is to simply choose a template that we want to use as our guide. I'm going to simply search here, for example, a website template. We're going to simply choose here the design that they offer for free. So I'm going to simply choose here, for example, this one, the first one that pop up, and click this customize this template button. Upon doing so, you will be able to be directed on this page, and it will show you all of the elements that has been used in this specific template. And that includes the color, the background, the font style, font size, some of the text in here that we could also customize by highlighting it and entering your preferred context. For example, presented by Mark Creatives. So as you can see, we have now successfully changed the context. You could also do the same process. For example, to the background, I'm going to choose this color on the left side panel, or even this one, and many more. So in those options, you have here the power to simply customize everything on it. You could also add elements on the left side panel and go to the search bar and search, for example, aesthetic design element, and it will show you in here all of the graphic design, photos, frames, videos, and many more that you can choose from. I'm going to select this one. Upon clicking on it, it will appear in our Canva design in here, and it will show you that I'm going to simply resize this one to make it look professional. I'm going to input it in here and change the layer to make it behind this context or contents. Now once done, you can also add more design in here that you prefer, including photos. For example, I'm going to replace the photos or the image in here. Instead of that, I'm going to change this one, which is a flower. You'd also customize the context by highlighting it and clicking on the top panel to choose, on the left side of it, some of the font style that you prefer. All you need to do is simply click on it and it will show you the changes over time in here. So basically, by simply using drag and drop interface, you can simply customize everything in here, including the context, the media files, the background color, the style, the layout, and many more. You could also do the same process on the other pages in here that you prefer. So basically, that's the idea I'm choosing here, or customizing some of the elements. For example, I'm going to change this image to this one, and I'm going to make it look like this. So as you can see, it has now been changed. You could also again do the same process of changing or removing some other unnecessary elements in here that you prefer. So once done, you could also start customizing. Aside from that, we can even add a context in here, such as a title, heading, a subheading, and many more, and even choose or corresponding design by clicking the style section in here. You can choose this color or the black, the green one, the beige, and many more. So all you need to do is simply click this color right here to change over time or real time in here, as you can see on the right side panel. We could also make it color green, this one, but if you're now done, just click the share button on the top right corner, and we can simply download this, for example, as a PDF or even as a website that we're going to sell on other platform. Now by clicking the download button, once you choose your own file type, it will automatically be downloaded, and we can now start selling this template into other platform in here. And in choosing the right platform to sell with this Canva templates that we just created, give you a variety of options to choose from. So there's a lot of popular e-commerce platform, and that includes this Gumroad, which is a straightforward platform design for creators. Or you could also use this Shopify, since it is a comprehensive e-commerce solution that allows businesses to build and manage their own online stores. We're even using this Etsy, which is an online marketplace focused on handmade good, vintage items, and craft supplies. But in those options, I'm going to choose the scam road. So just simply sign in your account, and from here on the homepage, it will show you on the left side panel to navigate some other option. But to start selling, just click the product option in here and click new product on the top right corner in order to start adding the template. Make sure to also click below here the kind of products, which is digital product, and enter here the name, for example, Canva aesthetic website, which is the template, and below just simply enter the price that you're selling with in here, your template, and click the next button on the top right corner to customize the other content. Now under the product section, you could also enter here, for example, a description of the product or the templates that you are currently selling from Canva. Make sure to make it precise and also describe the contents of the template briefly. And once done, we can proceed to customize the description to make it bold, italic, underline, and even insert here a link, an image such as the thumbnail for example, and many more. And after that, below here under the URL, you could also customize this one. And I'm going to enter, for example, creatives mark, which is you can customize your own in here. Moving on, you can upload here the cover or the thumbnail using from your computer files. So just simply upload it in here, and once done, it will automatically be showcased on the right side panel of the preview. You could also upload the thumbnail option. For example, this is what it looks like. Now aside from that, you could also fill out this product info, including this call to action word. Instead of this that says I want this button, I'm going to change this into buy this. You'd also enter here a summary that you prefer and many more. And once done, just simply add additional details below here. Then moving on, if you scroll down in here after filling out the summary, under the integration, you could also integrate or invite your customers to your Gumroad community in here, or invite your customers in here in any other preferences. And for the pricing, you could also allow customers to pay what they want or pay via installments. You could also add a variation if you want to, and under settings, you could also limit the product sales and even allow some other things to happen or to see from other customers. And once done, you can now proceed by going to the content section on the top panel in here. And in this page, we can simply upload here the file where the customer can get once they try to purchase this template that we are selling. I'm going to insert here, for example, a link on my Canva file or the template where customer can simply customize and download it on their own. You can enter here the text and also the URL below here. Now, for example, I'm going to enter template, and for the URL, I'm going to simply share this one and click the access in here and choose anyone with a link can simply edit, for example, or view at this point, and paste it in here, the URL. And once done, when a customer tries to purchase this product, they can simply click this one and get directed to the page where they can start downloading the template and customize on their own. Now to see it, what it looks like, it will show us in here the preview on the right side panel and also the URL of it. It is now being published. So as you can see, we're now currently selling our template in here. And overall, that is just basically how you can create and sell Canva templates. Thank you.